What's up, guys? I'm back like I never left. In this video, we're going to be talking about 3 blank check SPAC companies that could potentially go up in price within the next few days, the next few weeks. We're going to go over exactly the potential talks that these companies are undergoing right now to take these electric vehicle companies public. Some of them are directly involved with electric vehicles, some of them are indirectly involved with electric vehicles. So we're going to go over exactly what is the ideal price point and get involved in these companies, and what is the potential at the end of the day. So I'm going to cover all this important information coming up. Before we get into the video, I would appreciate if you can hit the like button. If you have any questions or any comments, make sure you drop in the comment section below. So as you can see over here, we got the Michigan EV startup Electric Last Mile is in talks to go public by SPAC merger. So the company that they're in talks with is going to be Forum Merger 3. So the ticker symbol you want to be looking for is going to be FII. So it's going to be 3 I's. So they're still in talks, so there's nothing finalized yet. So this is a great opportunity if you're able to get involved in it, and if you wait for a few days, few weeks, once they finish talking, if they can proceed with the deal and they come out and they announce that they're going to take this company public in Q1 2021, Q2 2021, or anything like that, there's good potential for these stock or for this specific merger blank check company to go higher. So as you can see, it started to trend higher the past few days. On Thursday, on Friday it went up positive 4.75% to the upside. So the most important thing, of course, this is super speculative, so they're still in talks, so there's nothing finalized yet. So that is one of the risks that is involved getting involved in this company. Now let's go over in detail about what Electric Last Mile Solution is all about. So when you go over and see exactly what they're about, their main purpose is we're creating a new world of EV possibilities for our customers. We are a new U.S. electric vehicle company transforming commercial delivery networks for the e-mobility business of today and tomorrow. So they designed to be the most reliable and most efficient electric last mile solutions. Our focus driving business transformations, innovating efficiency for vehicles, and also optimizing efficiency for the environment. So these are some of the things that they're trying to tackle. Of course, electric last mile solution. If you guys know, Workhorse is one of the competitions when it comes to this specific part. So if you like, the potential for this company, of course, they said they're new, so you want to go in detail, do more research about them. But of course, right now at this current moment in time, there's a lot of investors that are rushing in to invest in electric vehicle companies, either if they're charging companies or if they're Chinese companies. There's a lot of investors that are eager to get involved in this specific sector. So if you see potential on it, of course, you want to get involved in it as soon as possible, so that when they come out and say that they're going to be going forward with the merger and they're potentially going to be taking this company public in the future, the stock price can definitely go higher. So in the short term, so that is going to be it. And of course, if you like the company, you can also just hold it for the long term. Now let's talk about the second company. This is also a blank check company that is going to potentially be taking a company public. So the second company we're going to talk about is going to be GIK. As you can see, this stock is at 12.85% to the upside. Now this company is in talks to take a company, Lightning eMotors, public. So we're going to go over exactly what Lightning eMotors do and what is the potential market share they're trying to get. So of course, all of these companies that I'm talking about right now in this video, they're still in talks, but there's a lot of momentum, there's a lot of hype, with this electric vehicle companies. So people are so eager, to get involved in it, get the volatility, just make quick profit right now, and also to invest early to get in as quick as possible. So there's a lot of things going on. So when we go over and look at exactly what Lightning eMotors is all about, we're going to quickly watch a video exactly, what this company is all about, introduction, and I'm going to come back and go over, some of the vehicles that they have. So let's check out that video really quickly.
Lightning eMotors specializes in commercial electric vehicles, from medium-duty vans all the way up to motor coaches. You'll see in our factory lots of customized vehicles, like shuttle buses with wheelchair lifts, like large Class 6 delivery trucks with refrigerators or with custom lifts on the back. Our ability to deliver a very wide variety of technologies, order sizes, configurations, and customizations in a very cost-effective manner to our customers makes us highly unique and specialized in this space. What you see in our factory is flexible lines both to build the powertrains and to assemble the electric vehicles. Our flexible lines allow us to adapt quickly to a wide variety of orders and a large quantity of orders as they come in. Not only is this facility the largest commercial electric vehicle production facility in the United States today, it also has capacity to continue to expand at a very fast rate. Sitting on a campus with over 1 million square feet today and an incredible labor pool in northern Colorado, we are committed to expanding at the fast pace that this market wants to take us. Lightning eMotors is the product leader today, with more medium-duty commercial electric vehicles on the road than any other OEM. This product leadership is not just a function of volume, but also a function of product quality and product features. We lead today, and we're committed to leading going forward.
As you saw from the video, Lightning eMotors powering fleets with lightning. So that is their slogan that they have. They have different vans and vehicles, so we put you in the zero emissions driver's seat. So they have electric passenger van, electric cargo van, we have electric trucks, electric city bus repower. So these are all of the vans that they have over here. And if you see, of course, great potential for this company in the future, you can, instead of speculating for the short term and getting in and out quickly, you can definitely buy in and hold a company. But of course, they're still in talks. Nothing is finalized yet. Ideally, you want to get in early in these companies. They've been spiking up significantly higher and higher. In the next few days, in the next few weeks, if they come out and say, okay, we're done talking, we've finalized our deal, we're going to be taking Lightning eMotors public in Q1, Q2 2021, then we might see a huge spike for this company. So definitely keep an eye on it. But at the moment right now, they're still in talks. So if you want to get involved and speculate, of course, this is the stock that you want to get involved in, of course. So now let's talk about the last company. That's going to be the third company, which is going to be currently trading the ticker symbol THCB. As you can see, Tuscan Holdings is up 7.4% to the upside. It hit $13.75 and pulled back all the way to $12.33. So that is a huge swing from one day. Now let's talk about exactly what is Tuscan Holdings' plan. So they announced that they're talking, or they have an intent to combine with Microvast. So now let's go over Microvast. So this company is electric vehicle power solution provider. So this is based in location is going to be in Houston, and this company has been founded in 2006, and they have 6 locations around the world, and their main manufacturing is happening in China. So that is one of the things that you want to be understanding going forward and looking in detail about before you get involved. If you're somebody that wants to get and invest in this company for the long term, you definitely have to dig into this company's detail before you buy this company. So of course, if you're somebody that wants to just speculate and ride the hype as soon as possible, if you don't have to do that much, all you have to know is that, okay, what is the company that they're potentially in talks with? What is the deal going to go through or not? Based off of those two informations, we might see a huge volatility that could potentially happen for Tuscan Holdings, which is ticker symbol THCB. So ideally for all of these 3 companies that we talked about, getting involved in early, and then once if they finalize it, of course, if they proceed with their talks, the stocks can potentially spike up higher. So it's definitely a swing position you want to be taking on and just quickly flipping it and selling it out when you feel comfortable. Of course, if you're up like 10-20%, these stocks have been really spiking, especially the SPAC companies. So that's going to be ideal. So the other thing you want to be looking at for, of course, you have to do more research about this individual 3 companies that I talked about if you want to invest for the long term. So for the long term, of course, we talked about, these companies, electric vehicles, all of the countries across the world, in China, in Europe, in the US, and even in India and Africa, in the future, they're potentially going to be transitioning into electric vehicles. So getting involved in investing in these small companies, even though they seem like they are not making any kind of progress, or they're still slow and things like that, there's still potential for the future if you want to invest like for 10, 20, or 25 years in the long term. So, but of course you have to do more research and understand what you're getting involved in before committing, to 10, 20, 25 years and things like that for the future. So that is important. And if you have any questions about these companies, let me know in the comment section below. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you have any questions or any comments, make sure you drop in the comment section below. And if you want to sign up for Webull and, check out all the links in the description box that are going to potentially help you a lot. So I'll catch you in another video. Hope you had a fantastic holiday, and I'll catch you in tomorrow's video. Peace out.